Hello, my name is Rudy Martinez. I've been in the IT industry for a little over 10 years now, and I've recently become certified in cloud technologies. What I'm going to talk to you today is, what is the cloud? Initially, when you hear this question, you may think, yeah, I know what that is. That's the puffy white thing in the sky. Well, this is going to be a different cloud. This cloud involves technology, pretty much where you store your documents, your information, pictures, video. So we'll look at three things today. The first thing being, what is the cloud, how it works, and the types of cloud environment. So first, what is the cloud? Microsoft, the tech giant who makes the products like Office, Outlook, they define this as being a global network of servers, all serving a unique function. Well, these servers, which consist of thousands of them, all work together and they serve you the content that you request. A good example of a cloud would be the internet. It's a collection of documents, internet web pages, pictures, videos, readily available for you to just click and there it is. Another example would be Apple Music. It's a cloud that's potentially on your phone if you're an iPhone owner. You have access to thousands of songs virtually wherever you are, as long as you have an internet connected device, such as your phone or a laptop. So now that we've talked about what is the cloud, let's talk about how it works. So imagine yourself on your social media account, Facebook, Instagram. You upload a picture, a video. This information gets sent to a server, which is then replicated to other servers across the globe. This is known as redundancy or high availability. What that means is if there's ever a crash on one server, you can count on all the hundreds of others to make sure your content is still there. And with this, you may have heard the phrase of nothing is ever deleted. This is why. You may delete it once, but it's already replicated to thousands of servers around the world. Another example of the cloud. So now that we've talked about how it works and what it is, we'll talk about the different types of clouds. So the first type of cloud is called a SaaS. This stands for Software as a Service. A good example of this would be Google Docs. You sign into the website and you can access a whole suite of applications without you installing anything to your computer. This is known as SaaS. Second type of cloud would be called an IaaS. This is an infrastructure as a service. What this is if you need storage, computing power, it's a few clicks away. You click a few selections, you select your server size, how much power you need, and within minutes you have a full functioning server ready for your use. There's no hardware configuration, there's no hardware purchasing, there's no licensing you have to deal with. It's all in the cloud. Third type of cloud is called a PaaS. What this is specifically targeted towards software developers or those who are not sure how hardware works. It stands for Platform as a Service, and essentially you just bring your own application and leave the hardware for someone else to deal with. So one example would be a software developer creating an application and having all their attention focused on the application, the coding, the functionality of the app. Types of cloud environment, there are three types. There's the public cloud, there's the private cloud, and there's the hybrid cloud. The public cloud would be considered Amazon AWS, stands for Amazon Web Services, or Microsoft Azure. This is a cloud environment where you pay someone else for their cloud services. Private cloud is something you own, but is hosted off-site. This is usually useful for corporations, enterprises, who don't really have the space in their office, but they have the money to purchase their own hardware. So what they do is they contract with a data center, and that data center stores all of their hardware off-site. And lastly, the type of cloud is called a hybrid. What this is a mix of private and public clouds, getting the best of both worlds. So in closing, the cloud is revolutionary. It's available anywhere, and computing in storage is just a few clicks away. So the next time someone asks you, hey, look at that cloud. You see that cloud in the sky? You can now say you know of a different type of cloud. Thanks for your time.